Today's brand is Ritual. They sell clean, transparent ingredient supplements direct to consumer via subscription. Hero products include the Essential for Women multivitamin and the Natal Biotic Prenatal Plus Probiotic. Pricing runs between $22 and $60 per month. And the thing that makes them the only one doing what they do? Katerina Schneider founded this brand in Los Angeles in 2016 after she got pregnant and couldn't find a single prenatal that would tell her where its ingredients came from. Every single bottle ships with a made traceable label. Every nutrient, every supplier, every origin printed on the box. Every formula is clinically tested. The capsule is clear so you can see the beadlets inside. Estimated $200 to $300 million in annual revenue, $250 million plus in total funding raised. I'm about to build one from the ingredient label up, live on screen, using Perplexity for research, ChatGPT for copy, Claude for code, and Klaviyo to deploy it. 4 AI tools, 1 email. And by the time we are done, you'll have every single step you need to do the exact same thing. Link in the description. Think of it like packing for a road trip. Perplexity loads the trunk. Deep research into who's buying a $33 bottle of multivitamins when CVS sells Centrum for $12. That foundation supports ChatGPT, which builds the route, the actual words that speak to her frustration with opaque Centrum labeling and her disappointment with athletic greens at $79 a month. Claude takes that route and optimizes the drive, turning copy into code that renders flawlessly, whether she opens it on her phone in the middle of a prenatal yoga class or her laptop on a slow Sunday morning. And Klaviyo delivers the packed car to her driveway at the exact moment her current bottle is running low. Skip the trunk and the whole trip falls apart. But when you pack in order, each tool amplifies the next. You're about to see the difference in real time. Step 1. Research. And this is where most people sabotage themselves before they type a single word of copy. They skip this step. Then they wonder why nothing lands. Those two failures are connected. I'm feeding Perplexity a very specific prompt. Not, tell me about Ritual. That returns a product page summary. I'm going deep. Direct to consumer model. What makes someone trust a $33 subscription when Ollie sells gummies at Target for $15? Why a buyer picks Ritual over Thorn or Hum or Care of every single time? How traceable from origin to beadlet is the line that rewrites the entire purchase decision in this category? And most importantly, build me a complete persona, not women who take vitamins. The Ritual customer. And watch what's coming back. She's 26 to 42, Los Angeles or Brooklyn or Austin or San Francisco or Chicago. UX designer, marketing director, fitness content creator or architect. Household income $85,000 to $175,000. Engaged or newly pregnant. And the insight that changes everything. She doesn't see herself as a supplement shopper. She sees herself as someone who reads ingredient lists before buying anything. One sentence, and it rewrites the entire email. Pain points, buying triggers, objections, brand voice. The frustration that Centrum is opaque and synthetic and outdated. The overwhelm of the whole food supplement wall. The disappointment that most gummies are 80% sugar and 20% vitamins. The fear that her current prenatal might contain something her OB would flag. You can see all of this on screen. Every single piece feeds directly into what comes next, which brings us to ChatGPT. Everything Perplexity built, the persona, the ingredient reader identity, the objections about clinical backing and price goes straight in. And I'm not asking for generic copy. I'm telling ChatGPT exactly who this email is for, what she's afraid of, and what she needs to hear to finally hit add to cart. And look at what comes out. A subject line that doesn't beg, it names the visibility. A preview line that leads with the made traceable certification. A body that opens with the one thing she has never actually been told by a supplement brand, that the capsule is clear so she can literally see what she is taking. Then 3 products, not a catalog, not a sale, just the 3 things that prove the promise. The Essential for Women multi for daily, the Natal Biotic for pregnancy, the Men's multi for her partner. One call to action, one direction, one story. Now Claude takes everything ChatGPT wrote and turns it into production code. Not a template she's seen before. A custom-built HTML email, table-based layout, inline styles, MSO conditionals for Outlook, responsive at 600 pixels, base 64 embedded product images, dark mode prevention, Klaviyo merge tags wired in. The kind of build a $15,000 agency charges 3 weeks for. Watch the code stream down the right side of the screen. Watch the build log on the left. Ritual navy, warm cream, Ritual yellow. Colors pulled straight from a sunny Los Angeles kitchen on a Monday morning. A word mark that whispers instead of shouts. Hero type in a clean humanist sans. A product grid that shows the capsule and the beadlet together. Every single element chosen because the persona told me exactly what she responds to. Not what converts in some general data set, what converts for her. A table-based layout that holds together in Outlook's word engine. Inline styles that survive Gmail stripping every single one of them on the way in. Responsive breakpoints that stack cleanly on her phone while she's already on the kitchen counter with her morning water. Cross-client verified. Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, Yahoo. One prompt, one pass, built in under 60 seconds. Now the email deploys through Klaviyo. 4 clicks. Upload HTML, set the audience, schedule the send. Done. A template that renders identically across every major email client on the planet. No last minute layout surprise, no mystery rendering in Outlook, no images that fail to load on dark mode. And here's the final product. The email she opens on a Sunday evening while she's restocking her kitchen. Hero headline. 3 stats that prove the claim. 3 product photos that prove the transparency. A welcome offer tucked in after the products. Because by the time she reaches that line, she has already pictured her Monday morning multi, her Wednesday prenatal, her Thursday evening routine. One button, one action. She either clicks or she doesn't. And the entire email was engineered to make her click. The offer doesn't show up first, it shows up after the products. Because every welcome email that leads with a discount teaches the customer that the brand only matters when it's cheap. Ritual isn't cheap, she knows that. She's willing to pay for made traceable and clinically tested. The offer is the nudge, not the reason. And if you're not in clean supplements, once you see how this works for one niche, you'll know exactly how to adapt it to yours. I'll see you in the next one.